How to make your name change on Facebook Lite. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to easily change your name on Facebook Lite. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. Now let's begin. First thing that you need to do is open up your Facebook Lite and make sure that you are logged into your account. The process itself is quite simple, so just follow along very carefully. Now, from here, you just tap on the hamburger menu at the top right corner. From here, you will get to your profile. Scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on its drop down to open up your settings. Once you do that, you will find your Account Center right on the top of your screen. Tap on See More in Account Center. Then, on the very top option, you will see your profiles, and all of your connected profiles to your Account Center will be shown right here. Now, if you want to change the name of your Facebook, just tap on Facebook here, and then tap on Name. Once you do that, here as you can see, I have written my first, middle, and surname as well. Here, what I'm going to do is remove the middle name like this. And once you make your change, you can tap on Review Change. But before you do that, make sure that your name is correct and the name that you want to change is set, because you cannot change the name again for 60 days. So for that, you need to be very careful on what you set your name to. So tap on Review Change. And if the change is possible, then you just have to tap on Save Changes. And now your name has been successfully updated. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. I will catch you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.